Hello students, this video is brought to you by Southern Pathshala. MCQs on electromagnetic waves. First question. Inconsistency in Ampere's circular law was identified by James Clerk Maxwell, that is J.C. Maxwell. Electromagnetic waves theory was proposed by James Clerk Maxwell or J.C. Maxwell. Electromagnetic wave theory was experimentally proved by Heinrich Hertz. That is very important question. Current produced due to timely varying electric field is called as displacement current. It is given by ID is equal to epsilon naught d phi by dt. Current produced due to the flow of electron due to potential difference is called as conduction current. By using symbols having usual meaning, displacement current is given by ID is equal to epsilon d phi b by dt. Mathematically, Ampere Maxwell's law can be written as integral over b dot dl is equal to mu naught IC plus mu naught epsilon naught d phi by dt, where this IC is the conduction current and epsilon naught d phi by dt is the displacement current. Electromagnetic waves are produced by the oscillation of charged particle or the vibration of the particles, or by the accelerated charged particle, or also when the electrons undergo transition from higher energy level to lower energy level. Therefore, by all the above methods are correct. Electromagnetic waves are transverse waves. Transverse waves are the waves in which the particles vibrate perpendicular to each other and perpendicular to the direction of propagation. Angle between the electric field and the magnetic field direction in a electromagnetic waves are, that is 90 degree, because electric field vector and magnetic field vectors are mutually perpendicular to each other and perpendicular to direction of propagation. Angle between magnetic field direction and the direction of motion of the electron wave is, again it will be a 90 degree. So next question number 12. Velocity of the electromagnetic wave in terms of permeability mu naught and permittivity epsilon naught of the free space is given by C is equal to 1 divided by root of epsilon naught mu naught. Dimension of root of mu naught epsilon naught is, so that is equal to 1 divided by C, therefore it is 1 divided by meter per second. If it is done, that is per meter per second, therefore m0 L to the power minus 1 t1, therefore the correct option is option C. Dimension formula of 1 divided by root of epsilon naught mu naught, that is equal to velocity, therefore the correct answer is m1 L to the t to the power of minus 1. Velocity of the electromagnetic wave in vacuum in terms of propagation constant k and the angular frequency omega is given by C is equal to omega divided by k. Velocity of an electromagnetic wave in a vacuum in terms of peak value of electric field and the magnetic field is given by C is equal to E naught divided by B naught. That is a velocity selector velocity. Okay, velocity of a light in a material depends on the electrical properties of the medium, it depends on the magnetic properties of the medium, it also depends on the refractive index of the medium. Therefore all the above will be the correct answer. The distance traveled by the light in 1 year in the time interval of 1 divided by 2.9979246 in 10 to the power 8 second is nothing but it is a 1 meter. It is a definition of SI unit of length. Okay, momentum P of a electromagnetic wave of energy U is given by P is equal to U by C or E by C. Energy density of an electromagnetic wave in terms of peak value is given by U is equal to half epsilon naught E square. Energy density of electromagnetic wave in terms of peak value of magnetic field is given by U is equal to half B square mu naught. Electromagnetic waves of the lowest wavelength among the following is gamma rays. Lowest wavelength but highest energy. Okay, high energy. They have high energy but low wavelength or high frequency. Okay, frequency also they are high. Radio waves may be used in communication. Microwaves may be used in ovens. Micro ovens are there they were going to use. Question number 25. Which electromagnetic waves is used in a radar communication? Microwaves are used in radar communication. Which electromagnetic waves are refers to as heat waves? They are nothing but infrared rays, or they are also called as heat waves or thermal radiations. A hot object can produce IR radiation. Radiation which keep earth warm are called as IR radiation. When high energy electrons are bombarded with a metal target, electromagnetic waves are produced. Those waves are called as X-rays. The electromagnetic radiation used to diagnose the fracture in a bone, they are called as X-rays. Which statement among the following is wrong regarding the ultraviolet rays? Okay, UV rays used to sterilize water since they kill microorganisms. Okay, that is the correct one. UV rays are absorbed by the glasses. That is correct one. Ozone can absorb all the radiation except UV. That is a wrong one. Sun is a source of UV radiation. That is also correct one. Electromagnetic waves used in LASIK eye surgery, they are nothing but UV rays. That is a very important one. Electromagnetic radiation which can kill cells and hence used in the treatment of cancer, they are called as gamma rays. Radioactive sources can produce gamma rays because we have one gamma decay, in that we are going to get a photon, that is called as gamma rays. Welders use goggles to protect their eyes from UV rays because they have high energy rays. Wavelength range of visible is 700 nanometer to 400 nanometer. Wavelength range of X-rays is 10 nanometer to 10 to the power of minus 4 nanometer. Radiation which can produce a more melanin and cause skin burn is UV rays. Thank you. Please subscribe Southern Pathshala for more such videos.